This video, I'm going to show you how you can limit the number of browser tabs on ClickUp. So if you like users to be able to open up to a certain number of tabs at the same time, then you can go ahead and restrict or increase the allowance of browser tab on ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get started, go to your ClickUp account and then click on Workspace. From Workspace, head over to Settings, and then from Settings, scroll down until you see your account name, and under it we have My Settings. If you click on My Settings, scroll down until you see this section called Preferences. Now under Preferences, scroll down, and down here you can see Browser Tab Limit. By default, it is set to 8. However, you can increase this or reduce this. You're told set how many ClickUp tabs can be active at the same time. We are told visible tabs stay active with the least used tabs going to sleep first. So you can go ahead and increase this number or reduce them according to your preferences. Once you are done, now you can save the changes by clicking on Save Changes here, and this will be applied on your account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.